Welcome to Community KC. We're excited that you've chosen to visit our website and hope that you'll find what you need here in our Community Resource Tool. In essence, Community KC is a resource to connect projects that are past, present, and future in the Kansas City area. If this is your first time, here's a quick overview of the site. In the top right-hand corner, you'll notice links where you can register as a new volunteer or log in if you already have an account. The site can be quickly and easily navigated using the purple tabs at the top of the web page. Don't worry, we'll cover the functions of each of these tabs later on. There's a page with an interactive map, a page for events, pages to add either an event or a project, a page to view all projects, and a frequently asked questions and an about page. Let's take a look at the about page and fact pages to cover who created Community KC and why. The About page contains an overview of Community KC, including a mission statement and additional resources to learn more. So, what is Community KC? The goal of the website is to connect others and communicate initiatives that work to benefit our city. They do this by connecting potential partners, including new volunteers or even projects, to other projects. This helps inform citizens and promote projects working towards the betterment of Kansas City. This also helps multiple projects working towards the same cause to combine their efforts. Imagine a platform similar to Facebook. Each project has a profile that includes relevant information and contact information. However, instead of individuals requesting to be friends with each project, you have the ability to find those that you're interested in by searching their location, keywords in the title, or the type of cause they're working on. Under the frequently asked questions, you'll find any additional questions you have answered. For example, what kind of internet users could benefit from this website? The answer is just about anyone. This includes religious or faith-based groups, neighborhood associations, individuals, businesses, or even those looking to get to know Kansas City more. Here, the developers also describe the kinds of projects that the website includes. This diverse list includes projects seeking to build up and help the resources of the community. This includes, but is not limited to, community gardens, leadership development, neighborhood cleanups, cultural trainings, and more. You'll also find answers on how to use the mapping tool, who developed the website, and future plans for Community KC in this section. Now, to give you an idea of what a project description page might look like on the website, we'll go back to the home page. While most of the page shows an interactive map, in the right-hand side, you'll see a square that displays recently added projects. To click on the first one, this one is an example for a senior-friendly garden bed. You'll see the description listed right underneath the title. For example, this one is working to create a raised gardening bed that's more accessible to seniors and those with disabilities. In the corner, you'll find the address of the project, which for this one is located in KCK. This page has a photo update. Underneath, there's a website address for the project, the year it was established, which phase the project is in, and the organization name and website. Below that, you'll find the address and contact information. It also includes what kind of volunteers they're looking for on the project. For example, for this project, they're looking for single-day volunteers as well as professional services. On the bottom of the page, there's a scale to show the progression of the project as well as an easy contact form if you're interested in more information. Let's take a look at another example by clicking back to the map page. This project is for a non-for-profit village at 31st West 31st Street here in Kansas City, Missouri. This is a good example of projects that are looking to assist other projects. The nonprofit village rents out their space at low prices for events and conferences. Just like the Senior Garden Project, their website is also listed below the descriptive picture with an address to the right. This project was established more recently, in 2018, and is further along in their operational stage. Their phone number for the organization is listed, as well as the contact information for project lead Megan Flynn. The project needs are much bigger on this example, with simple partners or collaborators listed. On the bottom of the page, there's a sliding scale for the project progression, as well as easy contact form from the example before. Now that you've seen two examples of the kinds of projects that can be found on Community KC, let's start to search for projects on our own. By going up to the top of the page and navigating to the View All tabs, You can find a comprehensive list of all initiatives. There's actually 11 pages worth of projects, which is much more than most people would like to individually search through. Luckily, Community KC has several ways for people to filter through projects, including neighborhood, project type, phase, and keyword. Neighborhood can be searched in this bar. Phase can be searched by clicking on one of these 4 choices. Keyword can be searched using this search bar in the top right-hand corner, and project type can be searched using the drop-down menu here. For example, if you go down through the drop-down bar and click on Youth Development, and then click on the button Submit, it shows you all projects related to that topic. Each project title is listed in blue, which is, when you click on it, opens up the project description page, their profile page if you remember the Facebook analogy from earlier. Clicking back takes you back to the main page with the project list. If you go back to another project type, for example, leadership training, and click Submit, you'll notice that this project type has many more options. So each project does not necessarily have a certain set number. And that's it. You're now ready to use Community KC to search for local projects of all types. This tool was launched in 2015 with the goal of engaging and empowering residents to make a difference in their community. It's common knowledge that Kansas City residents love their city and are proud of its rich identity and history. The best cities grow and develop with the help of their residents. Community KC recognizes the hundreds of people that are working to improve and grow KC and work to connect projects, people, and resources to make Kansas City an even better place to call home. If you have any questions about the website or need assistance, clicking on the About tab and scrolling down will give you contact information via email or phone number. Thanks for visiting!